ओम नारायणं नमस्कृत्यं नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वती व्यासं ततो जयमुदीरयेत्। मूकं करोति वाचालं पङ्गुं लङ्घयति गिरिं यत्कृपातमहं वन्दे परमानन्दमाधवम्। श्रीकृष्ण गोविन्दाय नमो नमः। सीतारामभ्यं नमो नमः। सर्वदेवाय नमो नमः। गोब्राह्मणेभ्यो नमः। मातृपितृकमलभ्यो नमः। जय श्री कृष्ण। My all viewers, my great persons, those are watching my videos. First of all, I appeal to all of you by folding my two hands as well as bowing my head in front of all of you. You are the trustworthy viewers, so please keep respect, because don't skip. Somehow some people just watching this video just skip without like and without subscribe. Please like and subscribe this video, because it is going to be a drastic change in your life. Don't think that it is in English. After that also, whenever I will bring some motivational video about your life changing videos about pranic healing, mind coaching, life coaching and counseling video, that will be very beneficial to you. If you will subscribe more and more, then you can get notification and the video which I will bring, so that will first you will that will reach to you and you will be very fruitful, beneficial. तो यहाँ पर मैं कहना चाहता हूँ, तो मेरे प्यारे दर्शक बंधुओं, आप सब लोग इस चैनल को जितना हो सके उतना प्यार दें और उसको अच्छे से ग्रो करने में मदद कीजिए, क्योंकि हम सबका जीवन परोपकारार्थ के लिए ही हुआ है। परोपकारार्थ इदम शरीरम संस्कृत में लिखा गया है। तो जितना आप प्यार देंगे उतना प्यार आपको भगवान दूसरी तरफ से भी देंगे। तो इस चैनल को बहुत बहुत से प्यार देकर उसको लाइक सब्सक्राइब करिए, कमेंट भी दीजिए, जिसमें हम मोटिवेट भी हो सकते हैं। हाँ, मानते हैं हम एक मोटिवेशनल स्पीकर है, फिर हमको भी मोटिवेशन की जरूरत है। तो इसीलिए हम सब सप्लीमेंटरी हैं, सब परस्पर से नाता रखते हैं। तो इसीलिए प्लीज सो डोंट स्किप, उसको थोड़ा सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, लाइक कीजिए। ओके, सो द सीरीज इज गोइंग ऑन in the English version of the Gita chapter. So we have completed already the chapter number 8, and now we are diving into the chapter number 9, which is very useful for all, because actually Gita is one of the best book in this universe, so which we can change our life. And this is the 9th chapter of yoga of sovereign science and the sovereign secret. Let's start. Raja Vidya Raja Guhya Yoga, chapter number 9. इदं तु ते गुह्यतमं प्रवक्ष्याम्यनु सूयते ज्ञानं विज्ञानसहितं यज्ञन्त्वा जुक्ष्यसि स्वात्. So Bhagavan said to you who are devoid of the carping script, I shall now unfold the most secret knowledge of Nirguna Brahma along with the knowledge of manifest divinity, knowing which you shall be free from the evil of worldly existence. Raja Vidya Raja Guhyam Pavitramidamuttamam Pratyakshya Bhagamam Dharmam Susukham Kartyum Abhyam. This knowledge of both the Nirguna and the Saguna aspects is a sovereign science, a sovereign secret, supremely holy, most excellent, directly enjoyable, attended by virtue, very easy to practice and imperishable. अश्रद्धान पुरुषा धर्मस्यास्य परन्तप अप्राप्य मां निवर्तन्ते मृत्यु संसारवत्मनि. Arjun, people having no faith in this dharma, failing to reach me, continue to revolve in the path of the world of birth and death. मया तत्मिदं सर्व जगत् व्यक्त मूर्तिता मस्त्यानि सर्वभूतानि न चाहं तस्वस्थितः. The whole of this universe is premated by me as unmanifest divinity, like ice by water, and all beings dwell on the idea within me. But really speaking, I am not present in them. Na chamasthani bhutani pasyami yogameswaram bhutaburna bhavutasto mamatma bhutavabanaha. Nay, all those beings abide not in me, but behold the wonderful power of my divine yoga, though the sustainer and creator of beings, myself in reality dwell not in those beings. यथा आकाशस्थितो नित्यं वायु सर्वत्रगो महान् तथा सर्वाणि भूतानि मस्त्यानीत्युपधारय. Just as the existence of air, extensive air which is moving everywhere, being born of ether, ever remains in the ether, likewise know that all beings who have originated from my sankalpa abide in me. सर्वभूतानि कौन्तेय प्रकृतिं जन्ति मामिकं कल्पक्षये पुनस्ताति तानि कल्पादो विसृजामहं. Arjun, during the final dissolution of all beings, enter my Prakriti, the prime cause, and at the beginning of creation, I send them forth again. Prakriting swamavastabhya visrujami punah punah bhutagrama mimangkrutamavasanku prakrutir vasat. Yielding my nature, I procreate again and again according to their respective karmas, all this multitude of beings subject to the sway of their own nature. Nacha mantani karmani nivatnanti dhananjaya udasina vadasina masaktantesu karmasu. Arjun, those actions, however, do not bind me unattached, as I am to such actions myself standing apart as it were. मध्ये मयाध्यक्षेण प्रकृतिः सूयते चराचरं हेतुनानेन कौन्तेय जगद्दि परिवर्तते. Arjun, under my aegis nature brings forth the whole creation consisting of both sentient and insentient beings. It is due to this cause that the whole wheel of samsara is going round. Avajananti mang muda manusi tanumasritam Parang bhavamajananto mama bhuta maheswaram. Not knowing my supreme nature, fools deride me, or the overlord of the entire creation who have assumed the human form. That is to say, they take me who have appeared in human form through my Yogamaya for deliverance of the world as an ordinary mortal. Moga sa moga karmano moga jnanan vijetasah Rakhyasi Masuring Chaiva Prakriting Mohining Sridham. Those bewildered persons with vain hopes, futile actions, and fruitless knowledge have adopted a fiendish, demonial, and delusive nature. Mahatmanastu mang partha daivi prakrutimasritaha bhajantya nanyamanaso gyantva bhuta divambeyam. On the other hand, Arjun, great souls who are imbued with the divine nature, knowing me as the prime source of all beings and the imperishable eternal, worship me constantly with one-pointedness of mind. Satatang kirtiyanto mang jatantasya dudabhrataha naman namasyantasya mang bhaktya nityayukta upasate. Constantly chanting my names and glories and striving for my realization and bowing again and again to me, those devotees of firm resolve, you are united with me through meditation, worship me with single-minded devotion. Jnana jagyena chapyante jadanto namamupasate ekantvena pruthaktvena bahuda visvato mukham. Others who follow the path of knowledge betake themselves to me through jnana of knowledge, worshipping me in my absolute formless aspect as one with themselves, while still others worship me in my universal form in many ways, taking me to be diverse in manifold celestial forms. Aham kraturaham jagyam sadaha mahamosodam mantro mahamevajyama agniraham hutam. I am the Vedic ritual, I am the sacrifice, I am the offering to the departed, I am the herbage and food grains, I am the sacred mantra, I am the clarified butter, I am the sacred fire, and I am verily the act of offering oblations into the fire. Pitahamasya jagato mata dhata pitamaha vedyam pavitra munkarang rupsamam jadurevacha. I am the sustainer and the ruler of this universe, its father, mother, and grandfather, the one fourth knowing, the purifier, the sacred syllable Om, and the three Vedas, Roop, Jaju, and Sama. गतिर्वर्ता प्रभु साखी निवास शरणं श्रुत प्रभव प्रलय स्थानं निधानं बीजमव्ययम्. I am the supreme goal sustainer, Lord, witness, abode, refuge. When we are seeking no return, origin, an end, resting place, storehouse to which all beings return at the time of the universal destruction and the imperishable seed. Tapamyamaham varsa nigruhamyo sujami cha amritam chaiva mrityuscha sada sajaham arjuna. I radiate heat as the sun and hold back as well as send forth showers. Arjun, I am immortal as well as death, even so I am being and also non-being. त्रैविद्यामं सोमपाः भूतपापा यज्ञैरिष्ट्वा स्वर्गतिं प्रार्थयन्ते ते पुण्यमासद्य सुरेन्द्रलोक मश्नन्ति दिव्यं दिवि देवभोगान्. Those who perform action with some interested motive as laid down in these three Vedas and drink the sap of the Soma plant and have thus been purged of sign, worshipping me through sacrifices, seek access to heaven, attaining Indra's paradise as the result of their virtuous deeds. They enjoy the celestial pleasures of gods in heaven. ते तं भुक्त्वा स्वर्गलोकं विशालं क्षीणे पुण्ये मर्त्यलोकं विशन्ति एवं त्रयीधर्मां नुप्रपन्ना गतागतं कामकामा लभन्ते. Having enjoyed the extensive heavenly world, they return to this world of mortals on the stock of their merits being exhausted, thus devoted to the ritual with interested motive recommended by the three Vedas as the means of attaining heavenly bliss and seeking worldly enjoyments. They repeatedly come and go, ascend to heaven by virtue of their merits and return to the earth when their fruit has been enjoyed. अनन्यसितं तयन्तो जो मांगे जनाः पर्युपासते तेषां नित्यभियुक्तानां योगक्षेमं वहाम्यहम्. The devotees, however, who solely loving me constantly think of me and worship me selflessly, to those ever united in thought with me, I bring full security and personally look after all their needs. जप्यन्य देवता भक्ता यजन्ते सदयान्युताः तेपि मामेव कुन्तेय जजन्यति विधिपूर्वकम्. Arjun, even those devotees who endowed with faith worship other gods with some interested motive worship me alone, though with a mistaken approach. Aham hi sarvajagyanam bhokta cha prabhurev cha na tu mam abhijananti tattvena tasya vandite. For I am the enjoyer and also the Lord of all sacrifices. But they who do not know me in reality as the Supreme Deity, they fall, that is, return to life on earth. Janti devavrata devan vitru janti pitruvrataha bhutani janti bhutijja janti madhyadino pimam. Those who are votaries of gods go to gods. Those who are votaries of men's reach the men's. Those who adore the spirit reaches the spirits, and those who worship me come to me alone. That is why my devotees are no longer subject to birth and death. Patrang puspang phalang toyang jo me bhaktya prayachanti tadahang bhakti upayata pasnami pranayatyatmana. Whoever offers me with love a leaf, a flower, a fruit, or a water, I appear in a person before their selfless devotee or signless mind and delightfully partake of that article offered by him with love. Jat karosi jadasnasi jajudyosi jadasi jat pasyasi kuntaya tatu tatkuruchang madarpanang. Arjun, whatever you do, whatever you eat, whatever you offer as oblation to the sacred fire, whatever you bestow as a gift, whatever you do by way of a penance, do that as an offering to me. Subhasubha phalairevang mukhyase karma bandhanehi sannyasa yoga yuktatma bhimukto mamupasyasi. With your mind thus established in the yoga of renunciation, offering of all actions to me, You will be freed from the bondage of action in the form of a good and evil results. Thus, freed from them, you will attain me. समोहं सर्वभूतेषु न मे देशोऽस्ति न प्रियः ये भजन्ति तु मां भक्त्या मायेते तेषु चाप्यहम्. I am equally present in all beings. There is none hateful or dear to me. They, however, who devotedly worship me, abide in me, and I too understand, reveal to them. Api teschu duracharo bhajate mamanamya sadureva samantabhyah samyagya vasito hitah. Even if the vilest sinner worships me with exclusive devotion, he should be regarded as saint, for he has rightly resolved. He is positive in his belief, and there is nothing like devoted worship of God. क्षिप्रं भवति धर्मात्मा सस्वच्छन्ति निगच्छति कुन्तेय प्रीतिजानीहि न मे भक्तः प्रणश्यति. Speedily he becomes virtuous and attains abiding peace. Know it for certain, Arjun, that my devotee never perishes. Mahing partharapasritya yepi syupapajonayah striyo vesya sada sudraste pijanti parangatim. Arjun, O men, Vaishyas, members of the trading and agriculturalist classes, Shudras, those belonging to the labor and artisan classes, as well as those of impious birth, whoever they may be, taking refuge in me, there to attain the supreme goal. King Puna Brahmanaha Punya Bhakta Rajastha Anityamasukham Lokamimang Prapya Bhajasvamam. How much more then if they are holy Brahmans and royal sages devoted to me? Therefore, having obtained this joyless and transient human life, constantly worship me. Manmana bhava madbhakto madhyaji mang namaskuru mame visyasi yuktiva matmanang matparayana. Fix your mind on me, be devoted to me, worship me, and make obeisance to me. Thus, linking yourself with me and entirely depending on me, you shall come to me. Om Tassaditi. श्रीमद् भागवत उपनिषद ब्रह्म विद्यं यथार्थि कृष्ण संवादे राज विद्या राजयोग नाम नमोध्याय. Thus in the Upanishad sung by the Lord, the science of Brahma, the scripture of yoga, the dialogue between Sri Krishna and Arjuna ends the 9th chapter entitled the Yoga of Sovereign Science and the Yoga of Sovereign Secret. So in this way we have completed the chapter number 9, Raja Vidya Raja Yoga. So my trusted viewer, thank you so much. My great souls, thank you so much for watching this video. Love you so much. Sarve bhavantu sukhina, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pasyantu ma kaschid dukha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.